So guys, another exciting day with the engine running and all the small pieces get together. The only thing I need now to do is to make a shifter so we can get out, drive this thing. Tony's doing the last part of his work, and yeah, give me an hour and we can get out on the streets. Yeah! Ready to fucking go. Yep. Yep. Du kan godt trække den bak der. Let's fucking go. Woo. Yep. That is a white ass motherfucker. Right up. Oh my freaking god. Hold kæft, mand. Hold. Bare helt ned, så er de fremad. Nej! Ja, helvede til, mand. Det er idiot. Nej, det er da godt. I love this. Look at where we are. Oh my God. What a beauty. Well, today, yeah, small tasks to get this thing going the right way, so I can get it on the dyno later today, just to check if everything fits up on the dyno. Tomorrow I'm having the final test on the dyno, so we can decide how many horses it should be approved with. And yeah, today we was driving a lot, and we have some problems with the shifting gears, and lockup still don't work. I have to work on that. I need to make some brake lights so I can go legally on the streets. I found out that the brakes don't work as they should, so we have to get another one of these. This is not tight, the air is flowing out of this ceiling here, so old shit. New one of that. Check out if the brakes is working as they should, and get the lockup going, brake lights, then I can go drive it into town to the dyno at Kenneth's KH trim. Damn it, I really love this car. I love how it looks. I love how it runs. So let's get the best out of this day. Let's fucking go! Alright, good morning, Tuesday morning, dyno day. I got one big issue, like I said yesterday. The transmission lockup doesn't work, so now I gotta get it up on the lift and take the pan off the transmission, and I have to change this solenoid that is for the lockup and for the overdrive. Hopefully it's that. So yeah, I gotta take an oil bath underneath that car. It's not the funniest part, but yeah, it has to be done. Let's go. And that is how the new oil drain looks like. So now I will go in and get a new filter and get the whole thing locked up. Boom! And back with the new filter and gasket. This is cooled off and clean. Nice. In with this. And get back under this. Get this thing installed right here. And I have installed the new solenoid. So hopefully this will work. just got the transmission done and overdrive and lock up is working. Fuck yeah! Now I'm on the way to the dyno to get it tested. This is a big day. Fuck yeah!